Breaking news ngayon ang giyera sa Middle East. Pero ang hindi napapansin ng marami, maapektuhan din ang pagpapatayo ng building dito sa Pilipinas. Ang Middle East kasi isa sa pinakamalaking source ng oil sa mundo. Kapag may conflict doon, nagiging unstable ang supply ng oil. At kapag nagiging unstable ang supply, tumataas ang presyo ng oil at diesel. At sa bawat pagtaas ng gas at diesel, tumataas din ang construction cost. Because construction runs on fuel and logistics. Trucks delivering cement, steel shipments, sand and gravel hauling, heavy equipment sa site, material deliveries from suppliers. Halos lahat yan gumagamit ng diesel. So kapag tumataas ang fuel price, tumataas din ang cost ng pag-transport ng materials. At kapag tumataas ang transport cost, susunod na tataas ang presyo ng construction materials. Kaya minsan, mapapansin nyo, kapag tumataas ang gas prices, after a few weeks, tumataas ang presyo ng lahat ng bilihin, semento, steel, pati mga delivery charges. In simple terms, every fuel increase eventually affects construction cost. So if you're planning to build, don't wait for another fuel increase before you finally start your project. Because every time gas prices go up, construction costs usually follow. And the longer you delay, the more expensive your building can become. Smart property owners don't wait for the market to get worse. They plan early, move strategically, and build before the next price adjustment hits. Kung may plano kang magpatayo, huwag mong hintayin na tumaas ulit ang construction cost bago ka kumilos. Plan it right from the start. Kung may plano kang magpatayo, planuhin natin ng tama. You can book a consultation with me.